Embedding a YouTube video in Mailchimp can enhance your email campaigns by engaging your audience with multimedia content. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Visit Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Create or edit a campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign or edit an existing campaign. Design your email. Click Design Email to open the email builder. Add the video block. In the email builder, drag and drop the video content block into your email layout. This block is specifically designed to handle video content. Insert a YouTube video URL. Click on the video block to edit its settings. Paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed in the video URL field. Customize the video block. You can adjust the video block's appearance by choosing a thumbnail image or adjusting the alignment and size settings. Save and preview. Click Save and close to save your changes. Use the preview and test email options to ensure the video displays correctly. Send or schedule. Once satisfied with the design, proceed to send or schedule your campaign.